Welcome to the COSEC APTA tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the process of setting up and using the app to manage your attendance. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store or App Store on your device and search for COSEC APTA. Tap Download to install the app and get started. After installation, the app will ask for a few permissions. Allow the app to take pictures and record videos, as well as access your device's location. Next, you'll be prompted to paste the provided URL into the external URL field. Once you've entered the URL, click on the Save button. Now, go back to the main page and enter your user ID to log in. If you're a new user, simply log in without a password, and you'll be asked to set a new one. Once done, log in with your user ID and password. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. Managers will have 3 options, while other users will have 2. You can now start managing your attendance. To mark your attendance, click on the Mark Punch button. A new page will appear, where you can select Regular In to clock in. Wait for the attendance marked notification to confirm your punch-in. To clock out, simply tap Regular Out. You'll then be able to see the updated attendance data once it's processed. To check your attendance, tap on My Attendance. Here, you can see your daily punch-in and punch-out times, providing a full track of your attendance. To view the most up-to-date attendance data, go back to the My Attendance section and tap the refresh button at the top of the page. Your current day's attendance will be displayed. To apply for leave, go to My Attendance and look for the notepad with a plus symbol. Tap that to open the leave application form. Select the desired date and type of leave, then submit your application. Your manager will receive it for approval, and you'll be notified once it's approved. To check the status of your leave application, go to the Requests section. Here, you can view the progress of your leave requests. If you need to cancel or modify a leave request, go to the Requests section. Select the leave application you want to update. For cancellations, click Apply for Cancellation. For modifications, click Apply for Modification, make the necessary changes, and submit. Both actions will require approval from your reporting manager. To check your leave balance, tap the Leave Balance option at the top of the app. You'll see the available leave details. You can also view the holiday list by clicking on the Holiday List option. That's all you need to know to get started with COSEC APTA. If you have any further questions, please contact your HR department. Thank you for using COSEC APTA, your smart solution for attendance management.